Hello, we have Dewars, 12 years old today, and even compared to my previous bottle openings, it is located on more expensive price range. It is around 25-30 euro in Europe, and it comes with this nice package, the box. So I slowly holded it. It is 1 liter, I guess. It is double-aged product of Scotland. Dewey, 12 years, and the writing. Let's see. Double-aged for extra smoothness. Here we have this, the age, we blend and we age again. Very nice design on the back. Double H for extra smoothness, and there's small writing. I'm sorry that this is quite heavy to hold with only one hand. And the flavor notes here: dry fruit, citrus, and vanilla. Dry fruit, citrus, and vanilla. This unique double aging and blending process Dewars to have create an unusual smoothness and delicate flavor. We call these flavor notes. Yeah, basically like that. Let me open the box. The box is very straightforward. The big bottle comes out the box. There's nothing else in the bottle, just the bottle. Yeah, it's very nice packaging, to be honest. Gold and price 500 metals. There's the, and this carving, the cap, nice cap. I don't know, it is metal screw. Probably it is metal screw. Let's open it. I'm not sure if I can. There's a small here. Oh, sorry. Probably I couldn't tear it all. Here we go. Yeah, that's a bit more effort. It's unfortunate. It is torn very quickly. Okay. This approach may be better. We have this cap. It is not screwing. I think there's, let me see. Wait. I think there's little cork. Yes. Cork, very nice. Yeah. And try the cork again. The color is fairly golden like, not very dark, not very light either. Okay. The alcohol taste definitely somewhat dispersed, and it's not very strong like the very white label Dewars. Fruity notes are more prominent. Maybe some malt, some kind of like how to say roasting process of malt, and somewhat sweet. It's more complex than the regular white Dewar, and if you try to go deeper, maybe the almond, butter, and maybe the honey. More like fruity. A little bit rubber. Well, it's kind of subjective, but let me taste. When you first sip, very sweet, very honey-like aroma comes out, and then you realized some smoke, and the finish is kind of medium. I'm very surprised because the malt with honey, some kind of spice, maybe tinging your mouth, but it's very likable, to be honest. I wasn't expecting, because the regular Dewar wasn't very exceptional. Definitely the honey, and it leaves some malt and oak finish. It's interesting. The sweetness is always there, but especially when you try to clean when you move it on your mouth back and forth, and it gives you really this honey-like sweet complex aroma. It's interesting and likable for this price point. 1 liter corkscrew with good bottle design, good box design, and 12 years. They say it's less likable than the Johnny Walker Black, but still, I think it is worth it. It is it distinguishes itself from the regular blended whiskies. Thanks for watching.